Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be talking about the Lofted Cut tool. So the Lofted Cut works just like the loft, except you are using it to cut a hole into a part. So let's say I have this cylinder and I want to loft cut something in it. So I can select on this plane and I will just draw an example. So on this top plane we have something like a circle, and let's make our circle 3, and we're going to exit, and just like the loft we're gonna create another sketch on the bottom, sketch and normal 2, and let's make that a rectangle, something like that, and let's dimension that rectangle and we make it 5, not 5, we make it 3.5 and 3.5. So we have those two profiles. So now I want to cut that profile into this box. So what I need to do is go into feature, Lofted Cut. That sketch is already selected, and I will select this sketch, and if you have a guide curve, you will create a guide curve as well. But for this one we don't have a guide curve. We click OK, and now if you look at it, that Lofted Cut has been done into the that profile has been cut into our box. So I can section it about the right plane, and you can see that that part has been cut in it. Anyway, that is how the Lofted Cut works. It works the same way as the loft tool. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.